Oh, come
Okay,
on.
I'm sorry. Did you guys not get the email? It's Broadway and movie. No, this is like, I'm really sorry. People are gonna want their money back. Okay,
Come on.
this is why I teach chorus. Chorus kids know how to follow directions. They join the band and look what happens. They all want to be rock musicians. Okay, can we do this again? Can we? Seriously, I don't have time. Okay. Please welcome to our stage our house band, Jersey Jobbin, featuring Samantha Swider on saxophone, Anthony Garcia on bass, Andrew Frank on drums, Mr. Harris, who didn't check his email, on guitar, and Mr. Palumbi, I have no words for Mr. Palumbi, on vocals, and Mr. Seidemann on trumpet. And I'm a little bit bitter because I wasn't asked to join the band.
Alright, we'll try it again. Next year. Bass.
Okay, so now this is Kiss the Girls from Little Mermaid,
There you see her sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why, but you're dying to try to wanna kiss the girl. Yes, you want her. Look at her, you know you do. It's possible she wants you to. There is one way to